bought this table saw, cheap on Finn. So basically all I'm going to do for it is make a table with a hole cut in it that the saw fits in. Then I'm going to follow on the tracks that a crosscut sled can slide on. Okay, so with further inspection, it looks like I'm going to take off the whole rail. It's just the end cap for that. Take off the whole rail on both sides. Set the saw further back into the table by a little bit, and then move the mechanism out of the table onto this rail. Extremely pretty and sharp bend, but after fucking up that 3 times, I think it was definitely serviceable. I couldn't find any adjustable feet at my local hardware store, so I decided to use lag bolts instead, and they're actually working really well. I lost a lot of footage when a camera broke, so you're not going to get to see me build a crosscut sled or the fence, but it's very simple to build and you can find much better versions elsewhere. The fence isn't perfect. It doesn't slide parallel to the table, so it takes a lot of work to actually straighten it up.